Hi, my name's Tom Lonsborough with School of Electronic Music, and in this video I'd like to take a look at a few features available on the Maschine Mikro Mk3 unit. First up, I'm going to browse for a group and I'm going to have a look inside the excellent Amplified Funk, one of my favourite Maschine expansions. So from the hardware, I can just press the browse button, and once I've selected what it is that I want to browse for, I can use the rotary encoder to find something that I'm happy with, click it in to load it, and then just come out of browse mode. So I've got a selection of 16 sounds which I can trigger. So you can hear there that we've got a mixture of drum samples loaded into Machine's inbuilt sampler, but then we've got something quite pad-like, and you can see that is being powered by Massive. If you look over to the software, you can see we've got that typical sort of 70s G-Funk lead synth, and then we've got a nice bass sound as well. So some of these will just trigger as is, but these three lend themselves to the smart play options. So let's just get a quick beat going. So I've clicked on tempo, just using the main encoder just to slow it down a little bit. So just press shift and record to give me a count in, and then shift and metro so that I've got a metronome ticking around in the background if I want to play things in real time. Just find my snare. Shift and pad 5 for quantize. If I prefer, I could go into step mode, select the kick, so it's a bit of a mixture of step sequencing and recording live. Okay, so we've got a hat there that might lend itself to 16ths. So I can click and hold note repeat and use the rotary encoder to choose the resolution. At the moment it's set to 16ths. Leaning on the velocity sensitive pad. When I'm ready, cool. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Let's just add a really simple single note bass line to that. So what I might do, just so that I've got this on a separate pattern, is hold pattern, duplicate, tap tap. So I've got a carbon copy of everything that I've just done, and now I can add to that this bass sound. Come out of pattern. I'm just going to double up the pattern of the kick drum. So shift and 5 quantizes that. You notice that I've just clicked anywhere in the editor to deselect the one specific note that I had, so that it'll just quantize all the notes.